start sharing the screen. Okay. Exercise 7.2 we have finished. Good. Let's move on to cuboid and cube. That's also very easy and very enjoyable. I hope you're enjoying these classes. Okay. Unless you enjoy now, you will not enjoy in 10th standard. Welcome, Arpana. Now, all of us have tasted 50 ml and 100 ml ice cream, 500 ml ice cream, family pack, 1000 ml ice cream, all that you know, 1 liter ice cream. So, take one such 100 ml ice cream cup. This cup will contain 100 ml of water, which means the capacity of the volume of the cup is 100 ml. Now, take that 100 ml cup and find out how many such cups of water can fill a jug. Suppose say 10 such 100 ml cups can fill a jug, then the volume of the jug is 1 liter. Okay, that is 1000 ml, 1 liter. Now further check how many such jugs of water can fill a bucket. That is the capacity or volume of the bucket. Likewise, we can calculate the volume or capacity of any such things. Okay, so what is this volume? What do you mean by volume? Volume is the measurement of the amount of space occupied. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional solid. Okay, very important. This is a 3D object. A 3D object, let us say it is a cylinder, the amount of space that it occupies. Okay, a tumbler or a bucket. Okay, amount of space that it occupies. That is the thing. So it is measured in cubic centimeters. It can be measured in cubic meters. It can be measured in liter. Okay. Now one thing is 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. You should know this. Sometimes they'll ask problems like that. 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Then 1000 liter equal to 1 meter cubed. That is also something you should know. Okay, 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube, 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. Okay, these are things you should know. Okay, you note that down. 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. The same way, 1000 liter equal to 1 meter cube. This is very important because you have to convert everything into the same type of units if you have to do the problem. Okay, you have to convert it. If they give in liter, you convert it into meter cubed, or if they give in ml, okay, you have to understand these things. You have to understand these things. Okay.
Uncle, what's 1000 liter, uncle?
1000 liter equal to 1 meter cube.
Okay, uncle.
Now, what is this volume of the solid? Very simply, okay, if you have any type of solid, suppose you have this is the base area. Okay, base area is length into breadth. Okay, now then this becomes this is height. Okay, so the base area into height. Okay, so L into B into H. That is the thing. So suppose this is an A4 size paper. This is an A4 size paper. What you get is you keep on stacking more paper, more paper, more paper. Okay, so much height you get. Okay, that is the whole idea of volume. So the A4 size paper has a certain length, 8.5 into 11.5 something centimeter something. Length into breadth. Okay, this is breadth, this is length. But if you keep stacking the paper, this is let us say 11.5. This is let us say 8.5. You are keeping on stacking, let us say 1000 paper you have stacked up, then that becomes 30 centimeter height. Then that is a volume. This is a volume. 11.5 into 8.5 into 30. That is the volume. Okay. So very simple understanding. This diagram will very clearly show you that. What is the volume of a cuboid? Very simple. L into B into H. That's all. Nothing. Cuboid's base area is L into B. Height is H. Okay, we saw. But see, important thing, the units of the length, breadth and height should be same. ஒரு லிட்டர்ல வச்சீங்கன்னு இன்னொன்னுல மீட்டர் கியூப் வச்சீங்கன்னா அந்த மாதிரிலாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, everything must be the same. Make sure no one is in centimeter, another is in meter. You should not be like that. They'll give you no very in 400 centimeter they give you, convert it into 4 meter and then you start using it. Okay, now let us see the same thing that we are having. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid. See again 120 mm is telling. Suddenly is changing the. So 120 mm is 12 centimeter, then 10 centimeter, then 8 centimeter. So that is 12 into 10 into 8. Okay, so 12 into 8 is 960 into 10, 9600. That's all. See, very. And what is the unit? Centimeter cubed. Volume always centimeter cubed or meter cubed or liters, like that. Volume or milliliters, like that volume. These are the units for volume. Most probably you have to write only in centimeter cubed or meter cubed. If liters come, you have to convert it either into centimeter cubed or meter cubed. Okay, we'll see that as we go along. Very simple sum, straightforward sum. So nothing to worry. L into B into H. Inch 120 mm, you convert it into 12 centimeter and do it. Let us look at the length and breadth of a cuboid are in the ratio 7:5:2. Its volume. Okay. Now this problem, let us work out. Okay. This problem, let us work out. Okay, this all your 10th mensuration. 9th mensuration you do very well. Then 10th mensuration you can do very easy and it will be very interesting. Otherwise, it will become challenging. People who have not done basic work is not done properly, they only have problem. Okay, so cuboid is there. Okay, this is length, height, breadth. So they are the ratio of L is to breadth is to height is in the ratio of 7:5:2. Okay, so let length be 7x, then let B be 5x, and let height be 2x. Okay, you just take it like that. Some x is there, we don't know what is that x, you have to find out. Okay, now its volume is 35. So length into breadth into height is equal to 35,840. That means 7x into 5x into 2x is equal to 35,840. 7 into 5, 35. 35 into 70x cube is equal to 35,840. You cut this 1 0 on both sides. Okay. X cube is equal to 3584 by 7. Okay. 7 goes in 35 how many times? 5 times. In 8 it goes 1 time. 14 2 times. So x cube is equal to 512. Okay. Now you know very simply cube root of 512 is what? 8 into 8 into 8. X cube is equal to, so x equal to 8. Very simple. Now what you have to find? Length is equal to 7 into 8 because it was 7x, 56. Breadth is equal to 5 into 8, that is 40. Then height is equal to 2 into 8, that is equal to 16. All three we have got. Find its dimensions, matter over. Very simple. Right? I am going to put this in your WhatsApp now. You understood? No issues at all. Only
Yes,
thing you have to
uncle.
take is ratios. If they are giving you, then you just take the 7x, 5x, 2x. If they give some other ratio, then take that x, the x, that y, that x, and the like that. Okay. Suppose they give you as 3:4:5, then 3x is to 4x is to 5x. That's all. Very simple. Then equate it, get the formula. Sorry, here is your mass 9. I'm going to post this now. Understood, right? Nothing to understand. A very simple problem. Okay, that problem has been solved. Let us go into this example 7 point. Now let us go example 7.11. Example 7.11 we should do now. Okay. The dimensions of a fish tank are L is equal to 3.8 meter, B is equal to 2.5 meter, H is equal to 1.6 meter. Okay. How many liters of water? Now see, liters of water is asking me can hold. Okay. I told you 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So you should first find in meter cube, then multiply by 1000 in order to get the liters. Okay. So volume is equal to 3.8 into 2.5 into 1.6. Okay. Now 3.8 into 2.5. How much? 5 8s are 40. 3 5s are 15, 19. 2 8s are 16. 16. 6 plus 1, 7. So this is 7 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, 950. 950. 950 into 1.6 again. Sorry, 9.5. 9.5 into 1.6 again. 6 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. 9 6 are 54. Plus 357. Okay. This is 950. Just like that you have to put. And 0 0 7 plus 5 12. 9 plus 1 10 plus 15. So 3 points you have to put. 1 2 3. 15.2. So volume is equal to 15.2 meter cubed. Now I told you in order to get liters, you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, 15.2, 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 15,200 liters. All right, that's all matter. See, they are given there 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. Same way, 1000 centimeter cube is also equal to 1 liter. Both are same. Both are same. And 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml is telling. That also you have to remember. So sometimes you'll say 100 ml is given. You have to assume 100 centimeter cube is given. Okay, that's very important. Most important thing is this one. 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter and 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. These are the two most important things you have to remember. Okay. This also let us post it in your WhatsApp. Example 7.12. Now we have to do. Example 7.12. Now the dimensions of a sweet box. L is 22 centimeter. Then breadth is 18 centimeter. And the height is 10 centimeter. Okay. How many such boxes can be packed in a carton of dimension? Okay, so this small volume, small box volume is equal to 22 into 18 into 10 centimeter. Now, how many of them can be packed in a carton of dimension? Big volume, big box. Volume of big box is equal to 1 meter into 88 centimeters. 1 meter means 100 centimeter into 88 centimeter into 63 centimeter. Very simple. Okay, you divide the volume of big box by volume of one small box. You will get the number of small boxes. That's all. Okay, this is the easy way. This is common sense. This is not a formula. This is what? This is common sense. Okay, this is where you use your imagination. What should you use? You should use your imagination. How many boxes, small boxes is going to big box? How to find that out? Volume of the big box divided by volume of small box. That means 100 into 88 into 63 divided by 22 into 18 into 10. 10 will go 10 100 times. Okay. 22 will go in 8 4 times. Okay. So 10 into 4. Again 4 will go 2. This will go 9. Okay. 9 will go in 63 7 times. 10 into 2 into 7. Okay. That means 20 into or 70 into 2. That is equal to 140 boxes. Very simple. 140 boxes. You understood? Just only a matter of multiplication and calculation. But the biggest thing where conceptually you have to understand this, you have to understand like this. Inside that big box, how many small box will go? Like this small box. Another small box. Another small box. Another small box. Like that, no? Then yeah, small box. So 140 such boxes are going. That's the point. You understand?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, sir.
Like that. This is what people don't understand. So in the number of small boxes on the 140. Okay. So I'll post this also in your WhatsApp. Very easy, no? Mensuration. Very easy and very likable. That is why it's okay. Then what? Volume of a cube now we have to find out. Okay, we finished volume. Cuboid we finished examples. Now let us take cube examples. It's easy to get the volume of a cube whose side is A units. Simply put L, B, E, H equal to A, that's all. No, less like a surface area. The surface area also we found on the same way. So L into B into H is equal to what? So L into B into H, A into A into A, that is A cube. That is the volume of a cube. So very simple. Okay. Volume of a cube is very simple. Not need L into B into H also, only A cubed. Okay, now you remember these things. In the problems they may ask what is the ratio of surface areas, ratio of sides, all of that. Okay. See, ratio of surface area 6A squared is there. Ratio of 6A1 squared by 6A2 squared. Okay, 6 and 6 will go. A1 by A2 the whole squared. Okay, so that is the ratio of the sides. Side is A1, another side of another cube is A2. Then the square of the ratio of the sides is the ratio of the surface areas. You understand? Why? Because A1 by A2 the whole square. So it is a ratio of the sides the whole square. Okay. Then ratio of volumes. Why volumes? Cubes. A1 cubed by A2 cubed. Okay, that is A1 by A2 the whole cubed. Therefore, ratio of the side. What is the side? A1 is a side, A2 is another side. Okay. So ratio of these sides. Cubed. A1 by A2 whole cubed. Okay, that is a very important thing. Ratio of the surface areas cubed is equal to ratio of the volume squared. That is also very important. That means surface area 6A1 squared by 6A2 squared. Okay, now if you cube this, you will get ratio of the volumes cubed. A1 cubed by A2 cubed the whole square. Why? Because A1 squared into cube is equal to A1 6. This 6 will go off. Okay. This will become A2 to the power of 6. Here A1 cubed into squared is equal to A1 6 again. Here also A1 6. So ratio of the surface areas cube is equal to ratio of volume squared. Okay, that's also very important. You understood this thing? The textbook is not explaining it. You have to understand that. Okay, so I am going to paste this important thing into your book. WhatsApp la போடுவோங்க. Let's paste this in WhatsApp. Most of the people, what they're doing, they know the formula, they know how to calculate, they know procedure, but they don't know why the procedure is correct. Okay, they don't know, you don't have the conceptual understanding of the maths. You're only following blindly the procedures, and you're getting 100 out of 100, and you're a high achiever. See, most of all the research is showing that the high achievers are getting very high marks, but that is because they are able to do the calculation fast. Number one. The other two thing is they are able to do the procedure fast. Okay, but they don't understand what is the idea behind the procedure. Okay, why these things are true, they don't understand. Now that is what I gave you now. Okay, find the volume of a cube whose side is 10 centimeters. Mental sum. 10 into 10 into 10,000 centimeter cube. That's all. Okay, very simple sum. That the sum and all mental sum. Okay, you understood that, no? 10 into 10 into 10,000. Okay. Now here you have the interaction of so 1,000 liters equal to 1 meter cube. So what you can do, 64,000 liters equal to 64 meter cube. That's all. This change, once you make this change, the sum is simple. Okay. So a cubical tank is having 64 meter cubed. What is the length of the side? What is A? A cubed volume is equal to A cube is equal to 64 meter cube. That is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. Correct. Therefore, A is equal to 4. Because A cube is equal to 4 cubed. Therefore, A is equal to 4. That's also simple. This is also almost a mental sum. Okay. Now I'm going to put this also. You understood, no?
Understood, uncle.
Only thing is 1,000 liter equal to 1 meter cube. So 64,000 liter equal to 64 meter cube. That conversion you make, then A cubed equal to 64, then A is equal to 4. Very easy it will come. Okay. Now I'm going to paste this also in your okay, let's come back to the textbook. Now, the side of a metallic cube is 12 centimeter. It is melted and formed into a cuboid whose length and breadth are 18 and 16 centimeter. Find the height of the cuboid. Now, here is a very good sum. One form is converted into another form. Well, what is the side? 12, 12, 12. Okay. So, what is the area? 144 into 12. Correct. How much is 144 into 12? 288, 144, 8, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1728. Volume is equal to 1728 centimeter cubed. Okay. Now, this is now converted into a cuboid. A cuboid it is converted into. The length is 18. Okay. Breadth is 16. What is the height it is asking? When you are converting it, the volume of the cuboid is the same as the volume of the cube. Okay. So that means cuboid odia length into breadth into height is equal to 1728. That means 18 into 16 into height is equal to 1728. Okay, therefore height is equal to 1728 divided by 18 into 16. That's all. So 1728 divided by 18 into 16. Let us first see by 16. Okay, 16, how it goes? 1728 divided by 16. It goes once, right? Yeah, once it goes in 16. Remaining 12. 12 it doesn't go any times. Okay, so in 128, how many times it goes? 16 into 8. 8 times it goes. So 108. So this becomes 108. 16 goes. Okay, 18 and 108 we can divide by 9. 9 by 18 is 2. 108 by 9 is 112. Okay, 2 by 12, then 6. Therefore, h is equal to 6. You understood? H is equal to 6. That's what is given. I'll put this print screen also in your. Okay, that is also there. Any doubts on that?
No, uncle.
No, uncle.
That's all. Very simple sum only. Anyway, this is given in your textbook. 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 18 into 6. So this is not calculating the first thing. Directly is dividing. Okay, that also you can do. Makes one step simpler. H is equal to 6 centimeter. This activity, I don't know whether we'll have time to do the activity. Okay, the activity. You do that activity at home. Only one we will do here. Okay, now this is 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. The side of the corner square is 2 centimeter. Here also 2 centimeter. Then what it becomes? 2 minus 2. This becomes 14. Correct. Here also 2. Here also 2. So again 18 minus 18, it becomes 14. Now this one becomes the height. So this box you become the height. So height becomes 2. Volume becomes 14 into 14 into 2. That's all volume. Okay. 14 into 14 is 196. Okay. Into 2 is 292. 392. Okay. 392. Like that you do, no? Make it 3 centimeters. Make it 3 centimeters. Then what will happen? You make it 3 centimeter, height will be 3 centimeter. This will become 12 and 12. Then you find 12 and 12, 144 into 3. Okay, 144 into 3 will be 432. Then he's asking, what is the greatest possible volume? Okay, 392, 432. Then you get the other two also. And you will find that this is the greatest possible volume. Okay, after that, no? Finish that exercise. Very nice. Let us go to exercise, to the real exercise. Exercise 7.3. We finished exercise 7.3 for you, Sandhya.
No, uncle.
Okay, let us finish exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.2 MCQs you have to do. Okay. Okay, we'll do second sum. First sum you do homework. Exercise 7.3 first sum homework. Okay. Second sum we'll do. Exercise 7.3. Second sum I'm doing. First sum is homework. Okay. Second sum. The dimensions of a matchbox. L is equal to 6 cm. B is equal to 3.5 cm. And H is equal to 2.5 cm. Find the volume of packets containing 12 such matchboxes. Okay. So this is one matchbox. You need 12. So multiply L into B into H into 12. That will give you the answer. That is equal to 6 into 3.5 into 2.5 into 12. Okay. So 6 into 12 is 72. 72 into 3.5. How much? 5 2s are 10. 7 5s are 35. 36. 3 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21.
63,000.
What? 63?
1,000.
Where you got that? How you got that answer? You did it you multiplied mentally, yeah?
Yes, uncle.
How you got that so fast?
2520, uncle.
Huh?
2520. Is that the answer?
I am not finished. Why are you where are you going? You're using a calculator or using a guide?
Nothing, uncle. I just calculated right now.
How you will calculate? Tell me. What is
I have
3.5?
a notebook, uncle. So like with that, I calculated.
What you calculated? How much you got? What is this answer? Tell me.
2520, uncle.
2520. Okay, tell me the calculation. Let me write it down. Tell me the calculation.
No, uncle. The 72 into 35. That one, uncle. That one I just
22
calculated.
into 35 is how much? I'm still doing that.
Okay.
12, 3, 4, 5, 2520. Okay, 2520.
That's what I said right now.
Okay, that is fine. That is fine. So 2520 into 2.5 you'll have to do now. Correct? Huh? Okay, 0. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s 20, 26. 2 5s are 10, 12. Okay. And 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, another 5. 3, 6, 3. So what you have? You have 1, 2.5. So 6,300. No, here also you have to keep 72 into 3.5 is 252. So it is 252. So 630. What is the answer? 630, huh? Some 630 centimeters squared. Who told 63,000? Somebody told. Sandhya, you told 63,000. No, it is not 63,000. It is 630 centimeters squared. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Decimal points you did not place correctly. But
So
I don't know why did you get that answer and how fast you are able to get that answer that I'm asking.
Use the calculator, uncle.
Use calculator. Don't use calculator. Use calculator only when it is needed. Anyway, it is wrong answer that's given. See, yeah. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to put this. Don't use calculator. What happened? It's not coming. So second sum is done. You do first sum as homework. Don't be extra smart like that. Okay. Third sum also will do. Let us do third sum now. Exercise 7.3, third sum. Okay. What the length and breadth of a chocolate box? Length is equal to 5x. Breadth is equal to 4x. And height is equal to 3x. Okay. Volume is 5x into 4x into 3x. How much it is? 7,500 centimeter cubed. Find its dimensions. Okay. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3,
60.
3x cube is equal to 7,500 centimeter. X cube is equal to 75 by 60. 750 by 60. Divide by 3, 250. Divide by 3, 2. Again divide equal to 125. So x is equal to 5. Okay, now L is equal to 5x. That is equal to 5 into 5. That is equal to 25 centimeter.
25.
Okay. Breadth is equal to 4x. That is equal to 4
20.
into 5. That is equal to 20 centimeter. Height is equal to 3x. That is equal to 3 into 5. That is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. This is the answer. Very simple also. This is also very simple. Already in example sum you did this.
Uncle, is it 7,500 centimeter cube or centimeter square, uncle?
Centimeter cube. No square volume. Very good. Very good. Very sharp. That's how you should be. Okay, so that's some. Fourth sum you do homework. Okay. Fourth sum you do homework. Let's do fifth sum. Okay, second, first and fourth, you're doing homework, right? Let us do fifth sum. Let us do. Brick is 24 by 12 by 8. Okay, find the how many bricks will be required to build a wall of 20 meter. Okay, wall volume is big volume. Wall volume is big volume. 20 meter into 100. Okay, 1 meter is 100. So that is 2000. 2000 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 600 centimeter. Again, 6 meter into 100. Okay, so big volume by small volume. Okay, this is small volume. Brick volume is equal to 24 into 12 into 8. So big volume divided by small volume. 2000 into 48 into 600 divided by 24 into 12 into 8.
Uncle,
Okay.
can you know what is big volume and small volume?
You write wall volume by brick volume. All same. That's
Okay.
all. Volume of wall by volume of brick. Same thing. Okay. 24 will go in 48 2 times. 2 will go in 12 6 times. Correct. 6 will go in 600 100 times. Okay. So 8 will go in 2000 250 times. So 250 into 100. That is equal to 250, another 2, 25,000 bricks are needed. Yeah? This is fifth sum.
Uncle, could you explain again, uncle?
No, volume of wall. See, the wall is like that. This is a big one.
Okay, uncle.
This is the wall you are building. Okay. Now, how much is wall? Length is 2000 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Then width is 48 centimeter. Breadth is 48 centimeter. Height is 600 centimeter.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, now you are going to put bricks, one brick like that.
Okay, uncle.
How many bricks you need in order to get this wall built? Okay, maybe they lay like this. If you have seen them,
Yes, uncle.
they'll put like this, like that. How many bricks like that?
Okay.
அப்படியே வரும்
25,000.
அப்படியே போவோம் அந்த வால் ரைட்டா 35,000 bricks very simple
Okay.
20 meter is saying, therefore it is 2000 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter. Okay, very good, Sandhya. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That's why here also 600 centimeter, because he's saying 6 meter, therefore 6 into 100. That's all. Volume of the wall divided by volume of the brick. Very simple. 25,000 you get. Calculation is simplification. Okay, in 2000 divided by 8, you can get 1000 divided by 4, or you get 500 divided by 2, or you get 250 divided by 1. That's what I said, 250. This is 250. 250 into 100, 25,000. I'm going to paste this in your WhatsApp. Now let's do one more sum, and the remaining you can do homework, right? We have 15 minutes. You can finish something in exercise 7.4 also. 6 sum I finished. Let us do 6 sum then. 7 and 8 you do homework. We'll do 6 and 9.
Okay, uncle.
Exercise 7.3, 6 sum. Volume of a container is 1440. Okay, meter cube. Very good. Now that is equal to L into B into H is equal to 1440. Now he is telling length and breadth are 15 and 8. That means 15 into 8 into H is equal to 1440. Okay, find its height. Height is equal to 144 into 10 divided by 15 into 8. That's all. Bring this down. Bring both down. Okay, 10 to divided by 5. 10 will be 2 times, 3 times. Okay, 144 divided by 3. First, what you will get? 2 divided by 8. This will become 4. 144 divided by 3. 3 will go into 4 times. 24 8 times. Okay, 48 divided by 4 is 12 times. So that is equal to 12. Height is equal to 12 meter. That's all. Simple sum. Exercise 7.3, 6 sum, 12 meters. All right. Very simple sum. From my is given a LBH is the formula. Is given the volume. Is giving L and B. He is only asking find H. That's all. Very straightforward. Nothing to do. Only calculation to do. This is all a very simple sum. Easiest sum. Okay. I'll post this. Okay. One more sum we can do. Rest of it. I do nine sum. You do everything else. So 1 4 7 8. 1 4 7 8 is homework. I'm going to do 9 sum. All very easy only. Nothing to worry.
Yes.
Finish in 5 minutes. So exercise 7.3, 9 sum I'm going to do. Okay. 7 and 8 you do. 1 4 7 8. A metallic cube. So A is equal to 15 centimeter. Cube, no, like this. Everything is A. Is melted and formed into a cuboid. So 15 into 15. Volume of cube is equal to 15 into 15. That is 225 into 15. Okay. If the length of the cuboid becomes cuboid, it's equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, that is equal to 25 into breadth into height is 9 centimeters. Okay. So 15 into 15 into 15 is equal to 25 into b into 9. Now it's asking find b. b is equal to 15 into 15 into 15 divided by 25 into 9. That's all. Okay. 5 and 5 will go 3, 5. 3 will go in this 3 times. Okay. 5 will go in this 3 times. So 45 by 3. That is equal to, or 3 and 3 cancel out. That is equal to 15. So breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. That's all. It's also a very simple sum. Only one value is not given. You are casting the cube into a cuboid. Okay. Breadth is not given. Length is 25. Height is 9. Okay. Same volume. Same volume. Volume 1 is equal to volume 2. That's all the principle. Understood? I'm going to paste this in your WhatsApp now. So exercise 7.3 we finished. Let us go to try and do something in exercise 7.4. Now you are saying some of the sums are not there. So 1, 2 and 3 we will omit. Omit 1, 2 and 3. Why? Because in your reduced portion you don't have that. All about Heron's formula. Now let us go and do exercise 7.4, fourth sum. Only fourth sum to 10th sum you have to do. Okay. The lateral surface area of a cube of side 12 centimeter. What is lateral surface area formula?
4a square, uncle.
Okay. 4a squared. 4 into, is telling side is 12. A is equal to 12. 12 squared. 144 into 4. 16. 4 4s are 17. 1 4 5 76. That is equal to 576. What is the unit? Centimeter square. Answer is given. Choice
Yes.
number 3. Choice number 3 is correct. Okay. This is fourth sum. Let us do let me do sixth sum now. You do fifth sum for homework. 5 is homework. Okay. Very simple. You can do very fast. Let me do sixth sum. Total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, L into B into H. That is only volume. Oh, no. So wants total surface area. DSA is equal to 2 into LV plus BH plus HL. Okay. Total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into 10 into 6 plus 6 into 5 plus 5 into 10. 2 into 60 plus 30 plus 50. That is 2 into 60 plus 30 is how much? 90 plus 140. That is equal to 280. 280 centimeters square. Answer is there? Yes. Sixth sum, choice 1. Okay. So 4 and 6 we have done. Understanding? No issues. Just straightforward formula application. Fourth and sixth one I have done. Okay, what we'll do? We'll do 8 and 10. You do the remaining. 7 and 9. Huh?
Okay, uncle.
Homework will be 1 to 3 omit. 5, 7, 9 homework. 6 I am doing. 8 and 10 I am going to do now. 5, 7, 9 homework. Right, I just write. If you want, you do first 3 sums also, because we have already taught you that. Okay, but do 5, 7, and 9. Let us do 8 sum. The volume of a cuboid, volume is equal to L into B into H, is 660 centimeter cube. Okay, that means it's like this. L into B into H. Okay, so base will be what? L into B will be the base. He's telling the base is 33. Okay, what is the height? So base is 33. That means L into B into H is equal to 660. L into B is 33. 33 into H is equal to 660. H is equal to 660 by 33. This will go 2 times. That is equal to 20. Height is equal to 20 centimeter. Which one? Which choice is there?
Option 3, uncle.
Option 3 is 20 centimeter. Okay, that is 8. Now let us do 10 sum. The number of bricks, each measuring 50, 30, 20, that will be required to build a wall. Now we already saw that, no? Volume of wall is equal to 500 into 300 into 200. Why? Because meter, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. That's why. Okay, like that, everything. Volume of wall. Volume of brick is equal to 50 into 30 into 20. Now, how many bricks? How many bricks you need? Simply volume of wall by volume of brick. That is equal to 500 into 300 into 200 divided by 50 into 30 into 20. Everywhere this becomes 10, this becomes 10, this becomes 10. 10 into 10 into 10, how much?
1000.
1000. Which is the answer? Which choice?
Option 3.
Option 1 is 1000. So you got it. Okay, that's all. Matter over. Now what you have finished? You have finished mensuration also. Okay, congratulations, guys. I want to really congratulate you. You finished this also. Okay, mensuration finished, trigonometry also finished. 2 things you have finished. It's fantastic. You are very good students. You're doing very well. You should all get 100 out of 100. Both of you should get 100 out of 100. Okay, you're doing very well. You must be the best students in your class. Okay. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Yes,
So
uncle.
that is all we have done. I'm going to finish, stop sharing. Okay. Bye bye, guys. See you on Friday.
Bye,
Finish the
uncle.
homework and come. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Whatever. 1 to 3. If you want, you do that also. Okay.
Yes,
But
uncle.
do the other 3 sums. 5, 7, and 9 in exercise 7.4. You should do.
Okay,
Okay.
uncle. Bye, uncle.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye bye.
Bye, uncle.
Bye.